Hey, do you know the term used to flatter fulsomely, purposely confusing, playing it dirty? To know about different types of words talking about actions, please keep watching this video till the end. Before we go in,
Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
hi friends, good day. Today, let us look into English vocabulary which talks about some action words. What term means to belittle? Disparaging. Par is from the Latin word meaning equal. You may try, when you play golf, to equal the expert score, and some days you may or you may not feel equal to yourself. So when you disparage, you lower someone's par or feeling of equality. What term means to purposefully confusing? Equivocating. Equivocate is built on Latin word meaning equal and vox, voces, means voice. When you equivocate, you seem to be saying both yes and no with equal voice. What term means to enjoy the little things or to tickle someone's fancy? Titillate. Titillate comes from the Latin verb which means to tickle and may be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, you can titillate by gentle touches in strategic places. You are then causing actual physical sensation. Or you can titillate people or their minds, fancies, palates by charm, brilliance, promises, or in any other way your imagination can conceive. What term is used to flatter fulsomely? Adulate. Adulate is derived from the Latin verb adularia, which means to fawn upon. Adulation is flattery and worship carried to an excessive, ridiculous degree. What term means to prohibit some food or activity? Proscribe. The derivation is the prefix pro, before, and scribe, scriptus, which means to write. Proscribe, meaning to forbid, is commonly used for medicine, religious, or legal prohibitions. Before we move on, let us recall what we have discussed so far. Disparaging, equivocating, titillate, adulate, and proscribe. What term means to accentuate the affirmative? Obviate. We are familiar with the word via, which means by way of, which from the Latin word for road. When something is obvious, etymologically it is right there in the middle of the road where no one can fail to see it. To obviate is to make unnecessary, to do away with, to prevent by taking effective measures or steps against. What term means to work against or playing it dirty? Militates. Militate derives from one of the forms of the Latin noun militis, which means soldier or fighting man. If something militates against you, it fights against you, that is, it works to your disadvantages. What term means to spread slander? Malign. Built on the Latin word malus, which means bad. Evil to malign is to speak evil about, to defame, to slander. Malign is also an adjective which means bad, harmful, evil, hateful. What term means to give implicit forgiveness for a misdeed? Condone. To condone is to forgive, overlook, pardon, or be uncritical of an offense or of an antisocial or illegal act. Condone is built on the Latin word dono, which means to give. It is also the root word found in donor, one who gives, and donate, to give and donation, a gift. What term means to change hostility to friendliness? Placate. Placate is built on the root plac, which derives from the two related Latin verbs meaning one, to please, and two, to appease. soothe or pacify. So, can you recall the words we have discussed? Change hostility into friendliness. Placate. Make unnecessary. Obviate. Belittle. Disparage. Overlook or forgive a transgression. Condone. Tickle, delight, stimulate pleasurably. Titillate. Spread malicious rumors about. Malign. Purposefully use language susceptible of opposite interpretations. Equivocate. Act to disadvantage of. Mutilate, that is against. Forbid. Proscribe. Worship, flatter fulsomely. Adulate. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.